Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Leena. As you all know that I am uploading videos on previous year questions asked at IIT JAM, CSIR NET and GATE. So today we will discuss some questions on linear algebra. So the first question is, let T from R4 to R4 be a linear map satisfying T of E1 is equal to E2, T of E2 is equal to E3, T of E3 is equal to 0 and T of E4 is equal to E3, where the set of E1, E2, E3, A4 is a standard basis for R raised to power 4, then we have to choose one of the options. First, T is idempotent. Secondly, T is invertible. Third, rank of T is equal to 3. Fourth, T is nilpotent. This question is asked at GATE in 2008. So, first of all, we write T of E1, this is equal to E2. So which is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. Because of R4 we have 4 element. Now T of E2. T of E2 is E3, which is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0. Then T of E4. T of E4 is T of E3. T of E3 is 0. So this becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. And T of E4. This is equal to E3. E3 means 0, 0, 0 and 1. So the matrix associated with the linear transformation T, this will be given as T, which is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This is the matrix associated with the linear transformation. Now first of all, for the first case, I have to prove that T is nilpotent. This means T square, this is equal to T. So when you find its T square, so this will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can see that T square, this is not equal to T. So A option is incorrect. Clear? Now the next option is T is invertible. So if T is invertible, then determinant of T, this is not equal to 0. But as you can see that determinant of T is 0. So that's why B is wrong. Third, rank of T. Rank of T is 1. Rank of T is 2. But he is saying rank of T as 3. So this is also C is incorrect. Because you can see that when you take the determinant of T, one R3 or sorry C3 is 0. So that's why value of this determinant T will be 0. C is incorrect. Next he says that T is nilpotent. So for nilpotent you should have, when you multiply T square with T, so you will get T cube, which is equal to 0 matrix. So T cube is 0, this implies this is correct, which is the condition for nilpotent. Tk is equal to 0 where k is index, and for some value of k you have Tk is equal to 0. So T cube is equal to 0. This is correct. So this is nilpotent. So first was idempotent. For idempotent you should have T square is equal to T, which is wrong. Then then you have to prove that T is invertible. For invertible, determinant of T is not equal to 0. And third, rank of T, it comes out to be 2. And third one is T cube is equal to 0. So this is nilpotent. So option D is correct. Next you have, so the question is, let n be a positive integer and V be an n plus 1 dimensional vector space over R if E1, E2, E3, En plus 1 be the basis of V and T from V to V is a linear transformation satisfying T of Ei is equal to Ei plus 1 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n, and T of n plus 1 is equal to 0, then you have to choose one of the options. Now what is given to us is, what is given to us is T of E1, this is equal to E2. Let us take I is equal to 1. So this will be 0, 1 and so on 0. Then T of E2 is equal to E3. So which is equal to 0, 0, 1, E3 है ना, हाँ 0, 0, 1 and so on 0. Then you and so on. Then T E of n, this will be e raised to power n plus 1, means at n plus 1th term you have 1. So 0, 0 and so on 1. Then T of n plus 1, this is equal to 0, 0, 0 and 0. So matrix associated with the linear transformation T, this will be 0, 1, 0, 0 and so on. Then 0, 0, 1, 0 and so on and so on. So 0, 0, 0 and so on 1 and 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, as it's a matrix of order n plus 1. Now you can see that first option is T is non-zero, means trace of T is non-zero. So you can see that trace is the sum of the diagonal elements. So sum of the diagonal elements is 0. So this implies A is wrong. Next you have rank of T is n. Now we, by the rank nullity theorem, you can see that order of the here we will use the rank nullity theorem. So rank of T plus nullity of T is equal to dimension of the matrix n. So what you have to find, rank of T. Now order of the matrix is n plus 1. Now RT, rank of T, what it will be? This will be n plus 1 minus nullity of T. Nullity of T is n. So this comes out to be nullity of T is 1. So this comes out to be n. So rank of T is n. So this means B is correct. Third, you have nullity of T is 1 because there is only 1 0 rows. So number of 0 rows is said to be nullity. Then this implies C is correct. Nullity is 1. Then he says D option is Tn is 0 map. Now you can see that from here you can see that Tn plus 1 is 0, but Tn this is not equal to 0. Here Ten plus 1, or you can treat it as Tn plus 1. So T of n plus 1 is 0, but T of n is not equal to 0. So D is wrong. So only C is correct, and B is correct. C and B both are correct. B and C, these two are correct. Rest all are rest all are incorrect. Next you have, let A is equal to this. A is a matrix of order 3. Then system of linear equations has solution. 4 options are given to us. Different values of y are given, and then at D he has given that all y belongs to R cube. Now you have the system of equation. The system of equation has the solution. So you have to choose one of the solution. So first of all we will find the we know that system of equations has a solution if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB. Here it is y, so it will be AY. Clear? So first of all we will find rank of A. So we prove that largest order minor is non-zero. So determinant of A, this will be 2 minus 5 3 the 15 plus 5 minus 2. So what it comes? It comes out to be 5 2 minus 17 minus 34, and then plus 3 5 3 the 15. So which is not equal to 0. So rank of A, this is 3. Now for all values of y belongs to R cube, we have rank of augmented matrix AY, this is also 3. Now as rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, for all y belongs to R cube, this implies D option is correct. So this implies D is correct. So D is the correct answer. Next you have, if A is a 5 by 5 matrix, A is a matrix of order 5 and dimension of the solution space of AX is at least 2. So dimension of the solution space, or you can say dimension of the null space, or you can say dimension of the kernel of A, or you can say it is to be nullity of A. So this is given as at least 2. Then you have to choose one of the options. This question is asked at CSIR net in June 2018. So what is given to us? We are given as A is a matrix of order 5 by 5. Then dimension of solution space of A is 0, or you can say dimension of kernel of A is equal to 0, or nullity of A, this is equal to 0. Now what you have to prove? Nullity of A is 0, is at least 2. So there is at least 2. At least 2 means greater than equal to 2. At least means 2 or more than 2. Greater than is equal to 2. 2 or more than 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to it can go up to 5. By rank nullity theorem, by rank nullity theorem, what we know, rank of A plus nullity of A, this is equal to 5. So nullity of A is greater than is equal to 2. So rank of A, this will be less than is equal to 3. Nullity of A is, say this is equal to 2. So what it becomes? 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So as it is greater than equal to 2, say A is equal to 4. Say nullity of A is equal to 4. So what it becomes? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And if it is 5, then 5 minus 5 is 0. So rank of A, this is less than is equal to 3. Now what we do? Let us take, let nullity is equal to A and nullity is equal to 2 and rank of A is equal to 3. So we form a matrix A of order 5 having nullity 2 and rank 3. Clear? Now this is our A. We have to discuss about A square. So what will be A square? A square will be 1 0 0 0. When you multiply these two matrices, you will get 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Clear? So rank of A square. What about the rank of A square? This is less than is equal to 3, because it can't be greater than is equal to 3. So rank of A square is less than is equal to 3. Now rank of A square is equal to 3 is wrong. Determinant of A square, when you find the determinant of A square, as 4 columns are 0, that's why determinant of A square is 0. So from here option A and D both are correct. A and D are correct. Others are incorrect. So thank you very much for seeing the questions, and just like and share the channel as much as possible. Thank you.